Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to put my hair in this sleek ponytail. I have 4C hair. I got inspiration to do this from another YouTuber and I want to give her credit. Her name is Adana Madueke and I'm going to put her link in the description box. Alright, let's get started. This is freshly washed hair. I pretty much just shampooed my hair and the whitish stuff you see is leave-in conditioner. I already applied that. When doing this style, you have to make sure your hair is wet. Well, not dripping wet, but at least really damp. So apply some water. I cannot find my spray bottle, so I'm just using it straight out of that drinking bottle. So make sure your hair is wet to start off. And I'm just going to give you some tips that I found to be helpful when doing this style. Make sure you use a wide tooth comb. My hair is 4C, meaning my coils are very tight. So make sure you use a wide tooth comb. And I'll just let you watch, but I start from the back. And the first section I position it exactly where I want my ponytail to be. I like my ponytail to be a little bit high up on my head, on the back of my head. So that's where I do the first section. The only product I use is Eco Styler Gel. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for that. That is pretty much the only thing I use in the style. So the next tip I'm going to give is if you do not have a hood dryer, because that gel is going to be very wet. If you don't have a hood dryer, I suggest you do this style earlier on in the day, because if you do it in the evening, the moment you go to sleep and it's still wet, you're going to wake up in the morning and your style will be gone. It's going to ruin in your sleep. So if you plan on doing this, make sure you do it earlier in the day so that as you go about your activities, it's going to dry off. Another item you would need is a brush. When purchasing this brush, make sure you get one with really hard bristles. So this brush is pretty much going to help to stretch the hair and make it appear smooth.
Say Batman feel my flow, but them like from so them know to know. I started on the streets, I know. I remember back in the days, I know. Suffer doesn't kill you, but makes you stronger. Some things I see just makes me ponder. People still bossing my girl, I wonder. So them no. Shebolu aloni, Mari Bati she. Shebolu aloni, Marodu Modu. Shebolu aloni, my fire shire. Them got to know. The bad man got to know. 3-day time shots, but I must talk more. Oh, my God, I'm begging you, make you help me, oh. If you ask me today, say what to be the truth of this matter, no. Me, I just duplicate what in my eyes see, oh, better no. Don't play with us, don't play with us, no.
I use a combination of the wide tooth comb, the fine tooth comb, and the brush with the hard bristles. However, I encountered a problem with the fine tooth comb, as you will see later on in the video, but I use a combination of all those three. And each time you see me reaching down, I'm reaching down to get more gel. This style requires a lot of gel. You're going to put more and more gel until the hair becomes sticky to where it can pretty much hold down by itself, as you can see. That's just gel. I haven't put an elastic band yet. So that's how much gel you need. Every time you see me reach down, I'm reaching down to get more gel.
Don't play with us, no. Just follow me, 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 me how to find my way, my brother find a way too, life not turn by turn. The men could have a sortie. Me had to find my way. My sister find a way too. Life not turn by turn. The men could have a sortie. Bolo say bolo. Bolo say bolo. Bolo say bolo say bolo. All the time you say bolo say bolo.
I'm sure you've noticed that some parts of the hair look kind of whitish. That's because it's still wet. As soon as it dries off, everything's going to dry clear. That whitishness is going to go away. And oh, look what happened. I broke my comb. Yeah, talk about nappy girl problems, huh? Another really important tip you need to know is working in sections. My sections are about an inch thick, maybe an inch and a half, but that really helps. If you work in small sections, you're more likely to succeed. So what I'm pretty much doing is I partition a section, I apply gel to it, I comb it with the comb to stretch it out, and then I lay it down and like cement it sort of with more gel, and then it stays down.
Bolo se bolo, bolo se bolo se bolo. Les maléas ont commencé oh. Samuel Eto'o a commencé oh.
For the ponytail, I'm going to be using this kinky curly bundle. It is just one 18-inch bundle that I'm using, and it is from my personal collection. I'm coming up with a website and I'm going to be selling all of these. But for now, if you want to make a purchase, just contact me privately. I'm going to use a bobby pin to attach that. I'm going to insert it into the ponytail, and for the rest of it, I'll just go ahead and wrap it around. It is just going around in circles and occasionally attaching a bobby pin to hold it down, and I'm going to keep just going in circles and circles until I'm done applying the track.
Panuti bango a commencé oh oh oh. Mr. Leo a commencé. Moi-même j'ai commencé, and I promise not to fail. I go do my best, oh, now who not support I need. Now who not support I need, oh.
When you're done applying, this step is very important. You need to fluff it out. So hold the ponytail at the base so that it does not detach, and run your fingers through from the bottom to the top. This is just to give it a more natural, carefree kind of look. And as you can see, my fingers are running through it pretty smoothly, even though it is tight coils. That just tells you the quality of the hair I sell. There are no tangles whatsoever. It is smooth and it is just gorgeous. This is a holding spray called Pump It Up. It is totally optional. In fact, you don't even need it.
Me hardly find my way, my brother find a way to life not turn by turn. The men could have a sortie. Me hardly find my way, my sister find a way to life not turn by turn. The men could have a sortie. Bolo se bolo, bolo se bolo. Bolo se bolo se bolo. All the time you say bolo se bolo, bolo se bolo.